Factory brake pads on a Chevy Silverado often overheat and fade when hauling heavy trailers, but upgrading to severe-duty carbon fiber ceramic brake pads will dramatically reduce your stopping distance and eliminate brake fade while towing. The primary issue with OEM pads is their organic or standard ceramic composition, which glazes over under extreme heat. When you pull a heavy load down a steep grade, the friction material quickly exceeds its temperature threshold, resulting in a dangerous loss of stopping power. Switching to a carbon fiber ceramic compound provides a much higher thermal capacity. These heavy-duty pads dissipate heat rapidly, ensuring consistent, aggressive bite even when the rotors are practically glowing from braking a heavy payload on a mountain pass. To begin the upgrade, secure your Silverado on heavy-duty jack stands and remove the wheels, calipers, and old pads. Make sure to compress the dual-piston calipers evenly using a C-clamp and an old brake pad before installing the new hardware. Always lubricate the slide pins with high-temp silicone grease and apply anti-squeal compound to the back of the new pads. Proper lubrication prevents the caliper from sticking, which is a leading cause of premature pad wear and warped rotors on towing rigs. Once everything is torqued to factory specs, you must bed in the new pads by performing a series of aggressive stops from 40 to 10 miles per hour without coming to a complete halt. This transfers an even layer of friction material onto the rotors for maximum stopping power.